Hello everyone, myself Soumya Srivastav. I am pursuing PhD in biotechnology. Without wasting our time, let us start today's topic, that is trigonometry. Trigono means triangle. Trigono, tri. Tri means three and gono means side and metry means measurement. Three sides represent basically triangle. The branch of mathematics in which we deal with the measurements of triangle is known as trigonometry. It is basically based on a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A triangle in which an angle is equal to 90 degree is known as right angle triangle. Here ABC is a right angle triangle. On point B it is 90 degree. Now come to the word theta. Theta is a Greek alphabet. We use to represent angle by theta. Trigonometry ratio. In trigonometry, we deal with ratio. You all know ratio is written by two types. Either by this symbol or in fraction. Just like A ratio B, or we can write it like A upon B. Here we talk about trigonometry ratio. There are some values, sine theta. Friends, if it is theta, we consider one angle of this triangle as theta. So, for this theta, the opposite side to theta is known as perpendicular. We represent it by P. And the adjacent side of theta is known as base. Okay, I repeat it once again. The opposite side of theta angle is known as perpendicular and the adjacent side of the theta angle is known as base. Suppose if we consider this angle as theta, now the base and perpendicular interchange. For this theta angle, this side will be the base and this side will be the perpendicular and this side will be the base. Let me move on by considering angle C as theta. So, for sine theta, the ratio of perpendicular side upon hypotenuse. The angle opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. So, sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For theta, this side is known as perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So, for sine theta, the formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Or we can write it, which side is perpendicular? The side AB is perpendicular, so we can write it AB. And which side is hypotenuse? This side, AC side is hypotenuse, so we can write it as AC. For sine theta, the value is equal to AB upon AC. As same, for cos theta, it will be base upon hypotenuse. The formula is base upon hypotenuse. So the value is BC upon AC. BC upon AC. Okay? And the same, there are 6 ratios. Sine theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta, base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. This side is perpendicular and this side is base. So what will the value? A B upon B C. Now the other 3 ratios are reciprocal respectively of these 3. Just like cosec is reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos and cot is reciprocal of tan theta. Let me show you. For cosec theta, the formula is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. And for sine theta, the formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. As I say, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So we can write that 1 upon, for sine theta we can write it P by H, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So P upon H. As you all know, when a fraction reciprocate, the denominator becomes numerator and numerator become denominator. So the formula is h upon p. Here you can see this. Equation 1 and equation 2. H upon p and h upon p. So these ratio, cosec is reciprocal of sin theta, sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Sorry, I have to stop here because we don't have enough time. And thank you for your consideration.